Hi, Prairie View Middle School. This is Dr. Rittenauer with an important topic for you this November 19th. Please make sure that you are handling yourself with hawk pride. Our topic today is sexting, and this is a serious topic. You are expected to handle yourself with maturity and respect. What is sexting? Sexting is the sending of sexually explicit digital images, videos, text messages, or emails, usually by cell phone. Here are a list of the Minnesota statutes or laws that sexting falls under. The first one is obscene materials and performances, distribution and exhibition prohibited, possession of pornographic work involving minors, and then consensual dissemination of private sexual images, solicitation of children to engage in sexual conduct, communication of sexually explicit materials to children. These are very grown-up topics that you have to be aware of, and this is why we are talking to you today. So inappropriate texting. So it's sending vulgar, hurtful, or explicit messages or photos using a digital device. How common is this? According to a 2016-17 survey, only 12% of students said they had sent an explicit image of themselves, and nearly 19% had received one. Teens sending inappropriate photos is illegal. A teen could be charged with a crime for sending, forwarding, or creating a photo that is sexually explicit or obscene involving someone under 18. And you'll remember the statutes that I read earlier. Here are a couple examples. In Faribault, a 14-year-old girl is facing felony charges after she took a nude selfie and sent it to a classmate on Snapchat. Prosecutors are alleging that by sending the lewd photo, the teen violated Minnesota's child pornography statute, which forbids disseminating, which means sharing, the photos of underage subjects. Another example, a 14-year-old girl from Rochester entered into a relationship with a 42-year-old man she knew from church. They exchanged sexually explicit photos. He later pled guilty. So what do you need to do? Here are some steps for safety. Be respectful. Never forward mean or embarrassing text or pictures or videos. Think before you send. Remember your electronic footprint. It doesn't go away. Never post personal information. Never share your internet passwords with anyone but your parents. Treat your password like your toothbrush. Yeah, we don't like to share those. Do not retaliate or reply. Save the evidence. And if you think that someone is cyberbullying or being cyberbullied or sent sexually inappropriate messages, speak up. What should you do? If you are sent an image of someone under the age of 18 that might be considered illegal, you should take your phone to a school official or your parent or a law enforcement officer. And there's also a tip line or an online spot for you to anonymously share information. To wrap up Prairie View, if you wouldn't want it on a billboard, don't send it. Now, you will spend a little more time with your WIN teacher today looking into this topic. We expect you to continue to be mature and respectful during this conversation. If you have additional questions, please talk with Deputy Olson, Ms. Sampson, Dr. Rittenauer, Ms. Burchett, Ms. Bergman, or one of your other amazing teachers. Thank you and have a great day.